best way to learn English is through conversation.
Is he at home now? Is he at home now?
No, he is at work.
No.
He is at work.
Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work?
Yes, I have finished my work. Yes, I have finished my work.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car.
Can you open the door? Can you open the door?
Yes, I can open the door. Yes, I can open the door.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
Yes, I can open it. Yes, I can open it.
Can you explain this lesson? Can you explain this lesson?
Yes, I can explain it. Yes, I can explain it.
Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me?
Yes, I can wait here. Yes, I can wait here.
Will you help me tomorrow? Will you help me tomorrow?
Yes, I will help you. Yes, I will help you.
Will you call me tonight? Will you call me tonight?
Yes,
I will call you.
yes, I will call you.
Will you bring me some water? Will you bring me some water?
Yes, I will bring you some water. Yes,
I will bring you some water. Will you clean your room? Will you clean your room? Yes, I will clean it. Yes, I will clean it. Will you buy some food? Will you buy some food? Yes, I will buy some food. Yes, I will buy some food. Can you cook dinner? Can you cook dinner? Yes, I can cook dinner. Yes, I can cook dinner. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Could you show me the way? Could you show me the way? Yes, I can show you. Yes, I can show you. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Yes, I'd like some coffee. Yes, I'd like some coffee. Will you come with me? Will you come with me?
yes, I will come with you. Yes, I will come with you.
Will you visit Morocco? Will you visit Morocco?
Yes, I will visit Morocco. Yes, I will visit Morocco.
Will you try this food? Will you try this food?
Yes, I will try it. Yes, I will try it.
Will you buy this book? Will you buy this book?
Yes, I will buy it. Yes, I will buy it.
Will you buy a new phone? Will you buy a new phone?
Yes, I will buy a new phone. Yes, I will buy a new phone.
Will you travel this summer? Will you travel this summer?
Yes, I will travel this summer. Yes, I will travel this summer.
Can you listen carefully? Can you listen carefully?
Yes, I can listen carefully. Yes, I can listen carefully.
Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly?
Yes, I can speak slowly. Yes, I can speak slowly.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support.